Hey guys, welcome back to Nico Brothers. I'm so excited to continue to build out our RV. It's the next day, the parts are dry and they're looking so nice. I mean, it's gonna be such a transformation from before that burnt, creamy color look to all this nice tuxedo black and our lead metal gray. So it's gonna look really good. Let's go ahead and start putting it together. I first need to put my upholstery pieces on. Pretty sure that goes on first, and then I'll put all my covers on. So let's just not waste any time and go straight to the camper and get this dash assembled. And when you look at this, before and after is gonna be great. Pretty basic, you got your wood, wires, got a lot of stuff to plug in. Well, let's go ahead and get it on there. Man, this thing is looking sweet. I love all the sparkles in it, the metallics and the paint. And look at that cluster. That is the original cluster. I don't know if you guys remember what it looked like before. This is the one from the fire. I was able to buff it out, clean it. It's gonna look good. Let's go ahead and get installed. So I got all my pieces inside, getting ready to install it. Except there's that dash in the cluster. So nice. But before I go and put it together, I'm basically going to go look at the parts camper, the one hitting the front, and just see the layout, because it should be exactly the same before I miss something and then put it together and then take it all apart again. So I'd rather just go look at it, refresh my memory how it all went together. It's so nice having one like that I could reference to. And we do honestly want to fix that one too. We're just waiting for parts. We're going to need a whole front nose. I don't want to just steal parts because I'd hate to take a couple things and then have to scrap the whole thing, because it's really nice, honestly. So let's go ahead and go to our parts one, our okay wrecking the front one, and see how this dash goes together. All right, let's go check it out. Oh, my screen door. I'm definitely gonna need a screen door. I could probably borrow some parts off this one for now. Borrow, but yeah, we'll get there. That's not a big deal. That's nice though. Okay. They did a pretty good job of the flooring over here too, but look at it bubbling already. That's crazy. Man, these seats are nice. I might steal these as well, but we'll see. Okay, so it looks honestly exactly the same, so shouldn't be too bad. My little piece cover goes on there. This is the other covered piece. So the giant armrest down there. I was wondering it goes on the bottom, but it looks like there's nothing. It's just carpet. Oh, okay, I seen that little black mesh thing before. I guess intake, engine cover, and then just put this on top. Just Googled a picture how the buttons are supposed to be. So I got fog light in the first one. That's what I'm putting over there. And it's actually pretty nice that they're actually labeled. Just like that, fog light, so I know what's going on. Cap light, privacy shade, generator. So that should be too bad. And the other stuff is actually making sense and plugging it together, getting it done. Alright, before we get too much farther, let's go see if my buttons work. Already got power, they're lit up, that's nice. Dash is on. Looking great. Let's see if I have to start it. Man, I love how it just starts right up. Fog lights. Probably not plugged in. Generator. Cap lights. I mean, I'm gonna turn it off. We got power on. Let's see if our vents are working. Not really getting anything. I'm not sure what's going on there. Then we gotta figure it out. Maybe it's gotta be on for that to be working. Let's see if our generator works. Yeah, I hear it going. Nice. That's pretty cool. I check my spark plugs on my generator. It takes a little longer to start. If you guys have some tips or anything about generators, it's taking a little bit to start. It was working for about 70 hours, so maybe that's why. Check the oil on it or something. I don't know. But yeah, that seems like it's working. I gotta figure out my vents. Let's see if I gotta start the car. Not feeling anything. There we go. I actually forgot there's a power cable behind there. There's two plugs right there, but I got it plugged in, and now, oh yeah, I'm feeling that. That's nice. AC going. Woo-wee. I got AC in the front, I got AC in the back. That's awesome. It's just really important to make sure all my switches work before I go and secure this down and bolt it to each other and stuff like that. I don't want to keep taking it all off. Then I can actually put my bolts in. So I'm happy to hear that. Let's keep moving forward. Alright guys, that's looking a lot better under there. Took a little more time than I thought to cover all that up, but it's looking good. I found the old DVD player. I know it's still burnt. I'm going to replace it, but just for now, instead of having a big hole and stuff, it actually still works. I'll plug that in a second. Let you look at it. Not too bad. I really like how that turned out on this side. It's really clean, because when you walk in, you're definitely going to see all that. So it's like, I don't know why it'd be all just, you know, that old carpet or just big wood mess and stuff. I don't know what was there before, but it looks a lot better now. Looks really clean. And the same thing over there. I'm gonna button that up. And now it's just gonna do my speaker boxes and my cup holders. Let's get that done. Just gonna go ahead and show you the DVD player. Just put power to it. Power on over there. Got my air flowing, feeling real good. And there it goes. Look at that. It's looking good. Alright guys, there we go. Still have those temporary on because of my wire speakers. I gotta figure that out, but it's not a big deal. Basically that's where it's gonna go. Got my armrest. Dash is installed and looking good. Not too bad on the bottom. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Just when you walk in, you're gonna see this basically. There's gonna be chairs there, obviously, but it's looking good. Reading your comments about adding water there and then the sun heated up basically, so I'm sure that'll be fine. That'll work out over there as well a little bit, but overall, dash is looking good. Still got my covers. Maybe this cover we won't make glossy, but overall it's not that shiny, guys. It's nice, but I don't want to say it's blinding nice. Still have to replace our steering wheel, my radio, a couple things here and there, but we'll see. That shouldn't be a big deal. Overall, it's coming together. I'm really happy how it's turning out. Looking a lot cleaner. Let's keep moving forward. But unfortunately, that's all the time we have for today, guys. The dash is installed and looks great. Make sure you stay tuned. We're gonna get this thing going in no time.